Hello friends, welcome to NetBeat video tutorial on Easy Result software. This time we are going to see a quite different thing, that how to send emails using this software to parents about the marks secured by their student, or anything we can send to the parents using this software. So let us see step by step. So in the first step, what we have to do, we have to create a new email ID in Gmail account. That means Yahoo, Hotmail or any other account will not be working here. Only account created in Gmail will work with the software. So we have to create a new email account. Now there will be a question, if I have already a Gmail account, then can I use? Yes, you can use, but I will advise not to use your school email ID, because that is used for official purpose and the password used for that is secured. It should not be open to anybody, it should not be entered to the software. That's why it is advisable to open a new Gmail account only for this purpose. That means if you are going to use this software, you should open one Gmail account only for sending message to the parent and not for other purposes, because you are not going to see that email account what email you have received. You are just using that email account for sending the emails to the parents. And as you know that Gmail has a very tight security system, so you have to also activate less secure app. So what is that? I will explain it later. First we have to create a Gmail account. So I have already created a Gmail account. For this purpose I am using my Gmail account netbitindia@gmail.com. So this email ID I have created just to show you the demonstration. So step 1 is complete. You can also create your school email ID. Suppose your school name is let's say New India Public School. You can create ID like that, New India 123, or you can say New India Easy Result at gmail.com. Like that you can create an email ID. How to create email ID you already know, so I am not going to touch that area. So our point 1 first step is complete. Now let us move to the second step, activate less secure app in Gmail account. So I told you that Gmail has very tight security. It will not allow to log in through any software. It will allow only when you tell your Gmail that yes, I want to log in into my Gmail account using some software, then only you will be able to log in. So how to do that? So first I have to go to the Gmail account. This email ID I am using for sending message using this software. So I am login. Okay, now click here and then click my account. Here app with account access, you have to click here and then scroll down, and here you can see allow less secure app on. So I have already made it on. This is off position, now it's in on position. So you have to make it on, then only you will be able to log in and send message to parents or any other email account using this software. So I have made it on. Fine. Now if I want, I can log out also, no problem. So I have logged out. So this we have understand. If you have any difficulty, you can also do it by searching the steps in Google. Go to Google and type here how to activate less secure app in Gmail. So you will also you can take help of these links. So it will guide you how to activate it. It's quite simple. So our first step is complete, and second step is also complete. We have successfully activated less secure app. Now we can log in to our Gmail account using this software. Now let's move to the third step. Let's take one fake email, one simple email to any Gmail account using this software. So first we have to log in as administrator. So I am already logged in. Go to setting, then go to email settings. Here I have to type that Gmail ID which I want to use for sending the message. As I told you earlier that don't use this Gmail account for your official purpose. Official purpose you have separate Gmail account and you can use that, but for this software you please create one separate Gmail ID, and that will be used exclusively only for sending the message to parent and not for any other purposes. Why it is so? Because password is here. The teacher who are using the software will see the password and they can misuse that email ID. That's why it is advisable that don't use your original Gmail account which you are using for your official purpose in this software. You create an Gmail account exclusively only for sending message to parent and using in this software. So create one Gmail ID. Fine. So I have already created and I have saved it here. You type it, type the password and click on save, so it will be saved. Now I am sending one simple message to somebody. So I am sending email to NetBit Technology. This is my official account, and here I can send email to any account. It is not necessary that I have to send only to Gmail account. I can send email to any account, Yahoo, or Hotmail or any other account I can send. I am giving the subject test email. A message is hello friend, this is a test, and click on send email. Let's see whether email was sent or not. For that, what I have to do, I have to log in to official, this one, NetBit Technology. Yes, I can see one email here I have received from NetBit India, and this is the mail. Subject is test email. See here, subject was test email and the message was hello friend, this is a test. Hello friend, this is a test. Email sent from software. That means I have successfully made the setting for email. So this email setting is done perfectly fine. So our third step is also complete. Now we will send result to the parent. let's go and do that. So for result, I must be having the email IDs. So I should go to the student profile, and I'm going for class 6A because data has been entered only for class 6A. Here I can see that for Rakesh Kumar, I have entered my official uh, email account, so that I can show you that yes, emails are being sent through this software. So here parent email ID will be there. You can enter two email IDs, father's email ID or mother's email ID, or single email ID will also do, no problem. So for so Rakesh Kumar I have made the entry, but for other student I have not made the entry. So but in your school you have to collect email ID of all the students and you have to enter it here. Now let's begin. Go to class 1 to 8 and click here, send result to parents. My class is 6A. Here I can see all the students of my class. Since I have entered email only for one student, so only one email is being shown here, others are blank. But you have to enter email ID for all the other students if you want to send message to their parents. Fine. Now what I have to do now? I have to select the email ID to which I want to send the message. If I want to send message only to one child, then I will select one. Two child to then two. If I want to send email to this child also, then I will select this. If I want to send email to all students, then simply click here, select all or clear all, select all or clear all, like that. So just for checking purpose, I am showing you only one student. Okay. By default, the email subject is result of your word. You can type it anything. You can type periodic test 1 result. Message to be sent in the email. By default, this message will be sent, dear parent, please find academic performance of your ward. Now for which examination you want to send? Test 1, test 2, test 3, or half yearly exam, annual exam. So for which exam? So suppose I want to send the result of periodic test 1. That means I have already entered the marks for periodic test 1. Let's see. Class 6A. Yes, marks are entered. So I am clicking on this. If I want to add some more message, then I can add some more message also. Suppose I want to write here, school will remain closed on 21st or 25th December for Christmas Day. That I can also type, and let's click on periodic test 1. This is showing one confirmation message that this email pattern will be sent to the parent. Dear parents, please find academic performance of your ward. School will remain closed on 25th December for Christmas Day. Student name will be there, class will be there, and marks will be there, and at the bottom school name will be there, so that parent can understand from which school this message has come. Are you sure to send? Yes. This green color is showing because email ID was entered there, and there I can see in the right hand side that red color is showing. That means email ID was not entered there, that's why it is showing red color. So let us check whether the email was sent or not. First I have to take a print of test 1 so that I can verify that perfect thing is going or not. So this is the marks of Rakesh Kumar for periodic test 1, Hindi 25. Fine. Now I am going to check that whether I have received an email or not. So I am right now logged into my NetBit technology account, and I can see that yes, one email has come from NetBit India, and the subject is periodic test 1 result. And see, dear parents, and the message which I typed, school will remain closed and so that, and name of student is Rakesh Kumar, class 6A, exam is periodic test 1, then maximum marks per subject is 30, that has come, so that parent can check, okay, out of 30 my child has got 25 marks. For Hindi 25 marks, is it correct? Yes. For English 14 marks, okay, English 14 marks, math 22 marks, yes, math 22 marks. So this is 100% correct email being sent to the parent. At the bottom, school name and address will be there. So if I have email ID of all the student, then with the help of single click I can send result to the parents. So this is a very useful module of this software which help you to send emails to the parent. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that Gmail has a limit that within a day you can't send more than 1000 email. So that limit you cannot cross, because this software is using Gmail account. We have no deal with the Gmail. So whatever rules set by the Gmail will be applicable to you also. So 1000 messages in one day is quite sufficient for a school, one class. If you want to send more messages, then you can create one more Gmail account. There is no problem, as you know that Gmail account creating is absolutely free. So you can create as many accounts as you want, and you can send the message about the result to the parents. So here we have successfully sent the result to the parent by email using this software. So dear friends, if you have any other doubt and clarification if you want, then you can contact us here. Thank you very much.